Alright guys, welcome to ona18wi063. What I was talking about is that this board here is doing some kind of fun thing that allows for the voltage, that this is quite powerful voltage, to be sending the power to your devices, whatever they may be, and then adapting the voltage so that you don't fry different devices or whatever. Anyway, this is a really cool thing, and let me let you guys see this nicely so that if anybody wants to figure out what chip that is for your own preferences or reasons, you might want to create your own device that works like this, then you can do so. Anyway, I won't be doing any of this kind of stuff because I'm not an expert, but I might desolder these things and connect different batteries to this, because clearly the batteries that are working on here need to be thrown out. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Likey.